What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Lock Shed. Keybeard with a fun and interesting challenge lock. I don't know who this one belongs to. This was given to me by a good buddy, Snake. I think a lot of you guys know him. He threw a bunch of challenge locks my way, and this is one of them. I think this one's called Sweet Pain. Sweet Pain. It also says do 4 and do 5. It is a double challenge lock, which is really cool. I don't know if you've noticed, but I've already picked open this side. This is the do 4, which is picked open, and then I've actually already picked open this side, which is the pain on do 5. But what I'm going to do today is I'm going to pick this side open the other way, because I think that's how you gut it. So this was also with the package. So you have the outer core, inner core, large diameter of the core, which is this guy right here. The bigger diameter core is your inner core. And if you turn it counterclockwise, and there will be a small hole that'll appear at about 80 degrees. Insert pointy object in small hole. Pull out a core while pushing the pointy object. So I think if I do that, I should be able to gut it. So we're going to go ahead and lock this side back up. Yep, make sure that's nice and locked up. There we go. And then I'm going to try and pick it the sweet side. This is the key that it came with. I have not demummified it. This is that nail that he was talking about. But I think I have something else I can use instead of taking that nail out of there. So let's see what we can do with this. Hopefully I can catch this on camera and we can gut this entire thing. I will gut both sides of it since I've picked open both sides of it. And here we go. So let's go for the counterclockwise. And I'm going to use a 4/1000 follower here, which should be enough. Like that, I think. And I'm going to start with a deforest diamond. And let's see what we got going on here. And I got to click on, I think, 3. Couple clicks. So picking it up, we got another click on 2. Picking it counterclockwise or clockwise. There was a lot of good crunchiness. So now I got some good false sets going on. And I did have to switch back and forth different tensions. Like I was using top of the keyway and bottom of the keyway for the pain side and the do 4 side. So I might do the same thing with this. Okay. The reason why I say that, because I did notice, I'm going to do that right now. Pin 1 is a really, really deep cut. And I'm going to take advantage of this real quick. So there we go. That was pin 1. Pin 2 is binding now. There we go. Well, okay. So I'm feeling some binders, but I can't quite reach them. So I'm going to go ahead and switch back to top of the keyway. Make sure I got that set in there good. And I'm going to switch to a 16/1000 elephant trunk. and see if I can feel a binder. And it feels like that guy. Maybe. Okay. Well, maybe I should have stuck. There was a bind. Something just fell. Okay, there was a click. I didn't lose one. I am getting some feedback all the way in the back. I'm not so sure yet. All right. I don't know if I'm playing against myself or hitting those walls. Let's see. I'm dropping a lot of stuff doing this. I don't think that's what I need to be doing. There we go. Okay. I'm going to switch back to DeForest Diamond. Okay. Nothing yet. Let me check pin 1 again, make sure I didn't drop it. It doesn't feel like I did. Let me just run through these real quick, just like this. Looking for anything. It's giving me exceptional feedback like that. That was exceptional feedback right there. Oh. Oh, I guess I'm starting over. There we go. That's what I wanted. Okay, let's go back to 1 here. Okay. 2 is binding. Okay, 2, 3's got something. No? And I'm definitely in a false set. And I'm just trying to get out of it. Trying to get whatever's binding to get me going again. Oh, see, I got stuck and I just dropped a bunch. There's that one again. Two. A lot of good crunchies. All right, I'm going to switch back to the bottom of the keyway. There we go. And I'm going to keep the DeForest diamond. Okay. Don't really feel anything. Let's switch to the 16,000s elephant trunk. That might be it too. Get those clicked up in there. There we go. We probably lost one again. Yep. Okay. All right. There it is. Open. Okay. At the 80 degrees. Let's see if we can take a look together. At the 80-degree line, it says there's a hole. I think that's it. That little thing. Let's see what happens. Anyway, is it this way? Like, get the nail up. Aha, okay. So push that, pull this out. There we go. Okay. That is cool. Oops, just shot right out of there. That's cool. Let's get it. Let's set you guys right there for a minute. Set you down. Okay. I need this little guy. We will start with, let's start with the Do 4. And see what's got hidden in here. Pretty cool lock. A lot of crunchiness. I really don't know who made this one. Whoever made it, please, please, please get a hold of me. I would love to know who made this. I'll ask Snake again, and I'm not sure if he remembers either. Okay, this one, so it's got a smaller diameter, so I don't think my... Nope, that is going to work. Okay. Just like that, huh? Let's see if I don't fuck this up. Awesome. Okay, this is Do 1 or Do 4. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pins. Oh, okay. Let's take a look at the core. Looks like we got some undercuts on 5 and 3 and possibly 1 right there. All right. I'm going to kind of set these away down here. I'm going to put you there. All right, and there we go. I gotta be quick about this. I'm running out of time on my phone. So we got 1, oops, spring, 2. Ooh, nice different spring. There we go. I think 3. Long springs in these guys, huh? Let's go to the back. Here we have 5. Get that spring out of there. 4. And get that spring out of there. All right, let's take a look. Oh, he's got some, I don't know if he did that or if that's just part of the commercial lock he used, but there are some grooves in there. Very nicely done. Okay. Next, we're gonna cut open. Let's gut this guy real fast because I'm running out of time on my phone. So let's get this guy unscrewed here. There we go. I don't know if that feature and how I had to pull this apart is going to jump out at me. I've never experienced this before. So let's find out together. Okay, we are still unlocked. Let's spin it just a little bit more. There we go. Get it away from the groove. And there we go. Oh, okay, here we go. We got some interesting stuff here. I'm going to put it right here and behind it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lots of good undercuts. Gives you some really deep false sets there. Or what do you call those? Just cuts. Looks like another undercut on 5. Very nice. All right, let's pull out, starting with the front here. Got 1. I think they're all the same springs, but we'll find out here. Getting a 2-for-1 special over here on this challenge lock. I love it. You actually had to pick this thing. Technically, it's a 3-in-1 challenge lock because you can pick the pain side, the sweet side, and then Dev 4. There we go. 3. which is a kind of a sweet, sweet deal. Buy one, get three, get two free, right? There we go. Oops, wrong spot. That goes over here. And here we go. Okay. Let's take a look. I don't see any type of cuts like that first one had. So he might have done those when he did the other one. Nothing too special. There's that point where I had to shove it in and push it in to release the other lock. But here we go. Let me get a zoom in on this. We'll start right here. So it looks like we have just like some standards. Looks like we have a small cut up top here, another one, standard, and then for the top pins, we got a nice serrated spool, different little serrated, all handmade, very well done. Serrated spool, little serrated. And then if we move up to here, this is the Dev 5, also known as Sweet and Pain. We have the standard, oops, upside down. All right, sorry about that. I lost memory, so I couldn't keep on going. So I had to clean up my phone a little bit, and now I'm back. Where were we? We were doing the top pins for the Sweet and Pain. So what we got here today is I was saying standards, or I'm sorry, not standards, standard, but nice serrated cut. Looks like a serrated cut on 3. We have, oops, grab it. There we go. A serrated cut on 4. Looks very nice. Nicely done, mystery builder. Serrated cut. I don't know, is that what they call these things? Just like when it's just, serrated is like more than one, but I'm not sure what that's called, like a mini spool or something. I mean, I know it's custom pins, but like this to me is the standard, a serrated, like, multiple cuts. Like, so this is a serrated top pin. Then we got some lovely looking, nice rounded, like, what would you call it, a fat belly spool. Some more serrated action, some more here, and here. These ones are really nice because he built it for this lock. So you see that cut right there on 3. If you grab this one and you're trying to pick it, that'll actually create, actually I got it upside down. That'll actually create a nice false set like that. You see how, like, if that was in the chamber, it's going to give you a nice deep falset. So that's what those cuts are for here on 3 and 4 and 1. That's why number 1 was like almost like a gatekeeper in a way. But very nicely done. Very well built challenge lock. But that's all I got for you guys. All right, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I have hit 334 subscribers. Let's keep me going, guys. This is awesome. I'm having a lot of fun. Thank you, Snake, for providing me this challenge lock. The owner of this challenge lock, please get a hold of me. I would love to know who you are. And Snake, if you know, let me know, man. Awesome. All right, guys. Well, happy picking.